So today I'm gonna show y'all how I get my quick weave ponytail. I'm gonna take my ponytail and I'm going to braid my ponytail. So usually when I do this style, I would use a rubber band to secure this braid at the top. But right now I cannot find any rubber bands. I'm in the middle of moving, so a lot of my hair stuff is scattered. So I'm just gonna make sure my braid is braided all the way to the end, and I'm just gonna tuck it over. So the next thing that I'm going to use in order to attach my ponytail, this is the Wrapp set wrap strips. And you can find these at the beauty supply store. They're only $3.99. So the reason that I use these is because when you're doing a quick weave, you're using glue and you don't want the glue to touch your hair. Although sometimes it does touch your hair, but when you're doing the ponytail and you have to use like a large amount of glue, these are really good to use because you can wrap it around your ponytail and then wrap your ponytail around this. This is the glue that I'm using. It's just the basic hair store glue. And that's what I'm gonna use to secure this wrap. The hair that I'm using is the Onyx brand hair. It came with 3 bundles. And today I'm using the 14-inch bundle to do my ponytail. Now I'm just applying some glue to the end of this bundle because I'm gonna take this bundle and I'm gonna wrap it around this thing that's sitting on top of my head. Periodically, you will want to add glue to the pole in order to keep your track in place. Now that I'm at the end of that bundle, I'm just gonna take this piece and glue it to secure it in place. Everything is glued. I'm just brushing back the ponytail to make sure all the hair is laying the same way. So my hair is short in the front, so I'm gonna add some tracks to the bang piece. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it and let y'all know how it looks like. Now that I've done the styling, now I'm gonna fix the edges. These are my 2 favorite edge controls. This actually isn't even an edge control. This is a braid gel, but I use it as an edge control just because it holds my hair. I keep calling it edge control. I love this braid pomade because it just... So now that I've finished styling, I'm just gonna tie my hair down for a few minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and do my makeup, and I'm gonna show y'all how the style looks as a complete look. So this is the final look and I'm in love with this ponytail. I really like how it came out. Yeah. And so I'm just curling my ends of my ponytail up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope that it was helpful for you. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have a great day.